Each of us has been afraid of something in this life. Today, I will give the shortest receipt from these fears. The fear is a laziness to think strong, positive, and healing your and your life thoughts. If you feel that the fear presses and blocks you like a huge heavy plate, blocks your talents, abilities, and powers, put your hands on your chest and tell, "Today, I realize my responsibility for the thoughts that make fear in me. I take decision to think strong and positive thoughts. And with these thoughts, I may change my destiny." Let everybody be the creator and the master of your life. The swan deer is my totem. Promises you happiness and freedom thanks to ancient knowledge.